In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get NFL Sunday ticket for free. Let's get started. As of right now, there is no official standalone free trial offered for NFL Sunday ticket. The service is sold as a season-long package and is generally non-refundable. However, you may still be able to get NFL Sunday ticket at no additional cost through special promotions from participating cell phone and internet providers. One of the options is to check Verizon. Eligible customers may be able to receive NFL Sunday ticket through qualifying Verizon promotions. Example, you may qualify by purchasing an eligible 5G phone and activating a new line on an eligible Unlimited, Ultimate or Unlimited Plus plan. Existing Verizon customers may also qualify when upgrading their mobile plan and purchasing an eligible 5G phone. Another option is Verizon Home Internet. If you switch your home internet service to eligible Verizon Fuse or qualifying premium 5G home internet plans, you may be able to receive an NFL Sunday ticket promotion. The exact eligibility requirements and promotional terms can vary, so make sure to check the current offer before signing up. So that's all for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.